Hello, in front of me I have SUUNTO Spartan Sport Wrist HR, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. First, we need to press and hold the middle button right here to open the shortcuts menu. Once the shortcuts menu opens, we need to scroll down. You can do it by pressing the lower button like this, or simply swiping up on the screen. Scroll all the way down and select the settings option. You can do it by tapping on it or pressing the middle button like this. Now let's select the general option. Here, scroll down, find the option called power saving and tap on it to enable it like this. You can also enable it or disable it by pressing the middle button like that. And of course, when the switch next to the power saving option is green, that means that the power saving is enabled, and if it's grayed out, it means that it's disabled. And that's how you enable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.